Hello dear students, I welcome you all to this offline English class. The second part of the prose, I want to quit the ICS. Students, who is writing the letter here? Yes, Subhash Chandra Bose is writing the letter to Chittaranjan Das. Now please open your textbook, students. I am going to read paragraph 4. Please follow as I read. Now I shall come to business. I have no desire at all to enter government service. I want to quit the ICS. I know very well that if after quitting the service I plunge into national work with determination, I shall have plenty of work to do, like teaching at the National College that you have established in Calcutta, writing and publishing books and newspapers, organizing village societies, spreading education among the common people, etc. Here, plunge means jump or dive quickly and energetically. Determination means the quality of being determined. Determine means decide. Here, Subhash Chandra Bose writes that he has no desire to enter the government civil service. The main reason is he did not want to work under British rule. He is determined to enter national work after quitting civil service. He assures Mr. Chittaranjan Das that he will have plenty of work to do, like teaching at the National College, writing and publishing books and newspapers, organizing village societies, spreading education among the common people, etc. So, here we understood that after quitting the ICS, Subhash Chandra Bose involved himself in the national services with the help of Chittaranjan Das. Now please look at paragraphs 5 and 6. I would like to know what works you may be able to allot to me in this great program of national service. Of education and intelligence, I have but little, but I believe I have the enthusiasm of youth. As regards my education, I have read something of philosophy because that was my honours subject in Calcutta, and I am doing the same subject in my tripos here. Thanks to the civil service examination, I have had an all-round education up to a certain standard in economics, political science, English, law, Sanskrit and geography. I desire to give up the service with clear-cut plans. If I can do that, I shall not have to spend time not knowing what to do. I shall be able to enter the field of work immediately. Here, enthusiasm is a strong feeling of interest. In this paragraph, Subhash Chandra Bose requests Chittaranjan Das to let him know what works he may be able to allot to him in the great program of national service. He says that he has the enthusiasm of youth. Also, he is thankful to the civil service examination because it has provided him all-round education in economics, political science, English, law, Sanskrit and geography. He desires to give up the service with clear-cut plans of his future. He wishes not to spend his time not knowing what to do. He is eager to jump in the field of work immediately. This shows Subhash Chandra Bose is enthusiastic about entering the field of national service. Dear students, in this session we have completed the third part of the prose I want to quit the ICS. Let me ask you a few questions to know how much you have understood. Your first question is, what does ICS stand for? Yes, ICS stands for Indian Civil Service. Your second question is, how did the civil service examination help Subhash Chandra Bose? By the civil service examination, Subhash Chandra Bose had an all-round education up to a certain standard in economics, political science, English, law, Sanskrit and geography. Your third question is, what is the meaning of the word enthusiasm? Yes, the meaning of the word enthusiasm is a strong feeling of interest. Dear students, now I am going to end up this session. Bye for now. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.